Kateh. Smothered rice. A main dish from Iran. Serves 4. You will need 4 ingredients. Step 1. Pick over and wash 3 cups of rice 5 times in warm water. Step 2. Place rice, salt, and water in a deep non-stick pot. Bring to a boil over high heat, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes over medium heat. Do not cover the rice. Gently stir the rice with a wooden spoon a few times. When the rice has absorbed all the water, pour the oil over it and stir through gently with a wooden spoon. Reduce heat. Step 4. Place a clean dish towel or 2 layers of paper towels over the pot and cover firmly with the lid on to prevent steam from escaping. Step 5. Cook 40 minutes over low heat. Remove the pot from heat and allow to cool for 5 minutes on a damp surface without uncovering. Step 6. Gently taking 1 skimmer or spatula full of rice at a time, without disturbing the bottom crust, place the rice on a serving platter. Mound rice in shape of a cone. Step 7. Detach the crust from the bottom of the pot using a wooden spatula. Step 8. Place on a small platter and serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.